Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Motorola Razr Plus 2024. The latest foldable phone from Motorola that promises to build on the success of its predecessor. Let's see if this revamped Razr has what it takes to compete in the increasingly crowded foldable phone market. Starting with the design, Motorola has refined the Razr's iconic flip phone look with some modern touches. It's available in 4 vibrant colors: midnight blue, spring green, peach fuzz, and hot pink. The phone feels premium with its soft vegan leather and contoured edges, making it both stylish and comfortable to hold. The durability has been enhanced with an improved IPX8 rating and Gorilla Victus glass protecting the outer screen. Plus, the hinge mechanism feels snappier and more satisfying than ever. Moving on to the display, the Razr Plus 2024 features a 6.9-inch main flexible OLED display that's now twice as bright as its predecessor. This makes for a stunning viewing experience indoors, though it can be challenging to see in bright sunlight. There's also a larger 4-inch external display that now supports an always-on display mode, offering more utility with widgets and quick access to notifications. It's great for quick tasks and checking messages without unfolding the phone. In terms of cameras, Motorola has made significant upgrades. The Razr Plus 2024 boasts a 50-megapixels main camera with a wide fby 1.7 aperture and a 50-megapixels telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom, which is a notable improvement for capturing detailed shots and zooming in on subjects. The 32-megapixels front-facing camera ensures sharp selfies and clear video calls. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset paired with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance whether you're multitasking or gaming. It handles day-to-day tasks with ease, though it's worth noting that some AI features are expected to be added post-launch. Battery life has been a highlight with the Razr Plus 2024, thanks to its 4000 mAh battery. It supports fast charging up to 45W, though wireless charging is limited to 15W. This ensures you spend more time using the phone and less time searching for a charger. Overall, the Motorola Razr Plus 2024 builds on its predecessor's strengths with a larger display, improved cameras, and exceptional battery life. Its sleek design and snappy performance make it a strong contender in the foldable phone arena. While it faces tough competition, particularly from Samsung's offerings, the Razr Plus 2024 holds its ground with unique features and style. And that wraps up our review of the Motorola Razr Plus 2024. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Drop your comments below on what you think about this new Razr from Motorola. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.